So where is Skittles? Skittles, I come into the apartment and where are you? You realize, Skittles, that the front of the microwave is not a bed? It's not a bed. Skittles, look at you. Didn't even clean the sideboard off. Skittles, that's not a bed. It's not a bed. You go yawn for me? Oh, gee, you lazy kitty. I'm in between workplaces, kitty. I just dropped in here to get my headphones and you sheep? You just sheep? Oh, look at you. You go yawn for me? You go yawn? Yeah, look at you. You go yawn for me, kitty? Yeah, you're my buddy. Kitty? That's not love. That's not your bed, kitty. What if I need to get in the microwave? You're blocking entry. Kitty, it's not a bed. What you doing? What you doing, kitty? Yeah, look, I'm gonna close in on my yee. Yeah? How do you sleep so much that you you burn no energy? Skittles says, I'm related to the king of beasts. They sleep 18 to 20 hours a day. Yeah. You my buddy. Yeah, you my buddy. You my buddy. I loves my kitty.